There's the hard job. Oh, I just took the dipstick out. That means the filter should come right off.
Yeah. I wish I had a bitch ain't going anywhere. They are dumbasses who put that on. Oh my god.
Can't get it?
Fuck no.
Alright.
Double fisted it.
I'm about to start double fisting it. Oh yeah!
You got it?
Come here, you little bitch! God, that makes me feel good.
Got it?
Would I ever do you wrong?
Money shot.
The money shot. You take this piece of shit, you dump it right in there, then you throw it down the fucking local drain so you can kill all the birds and the fucking wildlife. Then hopefully you can kill yourself when you drink it. Here, I'm drinking water. Well, so can you get that other oil filter while I'm down here?
Where's that?
In the boot.
In the boot. My grandma says.